Hello guys, today I'll show you how can you fix your Fiverr apps notification problem. So guys, make sure watch this video until the end. If you are a freelancer, then I guess you are facing same problem as I faced before, but I solved my problem. I thought I should make a video about this because when buyer actually give you message, the Fiverr apps not give you the immediately notification. There have some reason. I will show you the reason and I will fix this right now at this moment. Then watch this video until the end. Here we see, so first possible reason is if your apps don't have the notification allowed. So for this you have to go your setting and have to go notification. So just make sure your notification box have allowed. Here you see I have the Fiverr apps and this is already have checked. So make sure if you don't have the check box, then just click on check box like this. That's mean the Fiverr notification have the allowed the notification, so you will receive the notification directly from the buyer. So after the allow this notification, if you don't receive the notification from buyer immediately, then there have another possible reason what actually I am talking about, and I will show you. This is called battery optimization. So that's why you have to go again setting and search battery optimization. I mean optimize battery usage. That's mean the Android system actually keeps some apps actually optimized. So that's why we actually not receive the message. Here you see optimize battery usage. So you have to find the option from your Android setting. Then after here you see apps not optimized. That's mean 61 apps in my phone don't have optimized. So these apps actually will immediately respond for anything, but here you see in this list actually not have Fiverr apps. That's mean the Fiverr apps actually automatically optimized by the Android system. That's why this is actually cannot run automatically all day long, because the system actually keep the Fiverr apps in the optimization. So you have to find the apps and you have to off for optimization. I mean you have to put it in not optimized. That's mean you will receive the message, and I will show you by not optimizing in my Fiverr apps. That's mean my Fiverr apps will run all day 24 hours and I will receive automatically message when the buyer actually give me the message. And here we see go for all apps. Sorry, here. So here you see 442 apps in my phone. So all apps actually they automatically keep optimized in the system by the system. And here I need my Fiverr apps not optimized for battery usage. That's mean my Fiverr apps will run automatically all day long. That's mean I receive the notification immediately. And when I fix this problem, and I right now actually here you see receive message every time when my client give me message. And here we see Fiverr apps, this is actually automatically optimized, and I will uncheck this. And here if I go for optimize battery option, and here you see my apps actually apps not optimized. There in this list actually Fiverr apps have. That's mean my apps will run all day long and it's not for optimize in battery optimization. So you can receive message immediately when buyer or client give you the message. So this is the way guys, how can you stop the how can you fix the issue, the notification issue. I hope if you follow my video, then your notification issue will be solved immediately. And if you find anything helpful from my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching guys.